Hello students, this is your G Science class and today we will continue with this chapter push and pull. In your previous classes we have discussed about meaning and difference between push and pull, what is force and effect of force. And in this class we will discuss about various types of force, that is muscular, frictional, gravitational and magnetic force. So there are four types of forces. So firstly we will discuss about gravitational force. So here students, understand what is gravitational force. So the force that pulls all the object downward toward the center of the earth is called gravitational force. You can see in this picture, this boy is throwing a ball and this ball is moving downwards. This happened only because of gravitational. So all the things which are thrown in air come back to the earth because the earth attracts everything towards its center. So here the earth attracts this ball, okay, only because of gravity. So gravity is the force that causes things to drop to earth. It is also the force that keeps planets in their orbits. Every physical object has a gravitational pull, including you. Here, understand with the help of this picture. A fruit or a leaf from a tree falls down towards the earth. We are able to walk on earth because of this force. In space, there is no gravitational force of the earth. That's why people float in air. So, you can say that gravity pulls everything downwards. Now, frictional force. Whenever two surfaces are in contact, they rub against each other and try to stop the movement of the others. So this force that try to help the things moving on the surface is called frictional force. What is frictional force? So frictional force is the opposing force that is created between two surfaces that try to move in the same direction. The main purpose of the frictional force is to create resistance to the motion of one surface over other surface. Frictional force helps in slowing down or stopping a moving object. It is also applied in the direction opposite to the motion of an object. Smooth surface have less friction while rough surface have greater friction. Okay, if you walk on a smooth surface you slip, but if you walk in a rough surface the case of slipping is less because the friction of force to stop your movement is less. What happens if there is no friction? If there is no friction, then moving object can never stop. Now, what is muscular force? The force that is exerted by muscles of our body is called muscular force. Animals use their muscular force to lift heavy object. Okay, so here you can see elephant use their muscular force to lift this wood. So here are some example of muscular force. When we pick a lifting weight, we use muscular force. When we carry books, we use muscular force. Even while we walking, we use muscular force. Okay. Now, understand about magnetic force. You will observe that when iron nails come close to the magnet, they get attracted toward it and cling to it. This happens because the magnet attracts iron nail towards itself. So the force exerted by magnet on the things made of iron and steel is called magnetic force. All of you can try this with the magnet and nails at home. So in your book there is an activity regarding iron nails and magnet. You all have to do with yourself to check the attraction between a magnet and iron nail. Okay, do this at your home. And also understand the magnet never attracts substance like paper and plastic. Okay, do this fill up with yourself. Okay, bye, take care.